Right, I've just started shuffling all these tubes into the correct position. I've moved the sub up a tiny little bit more, and I've actually bumped it over just a little bit to one side. Next job is to spin these round, but what I'm going to do today is, like I said, I'm getting Jodie B ready for diving, and I've got just one little job which has been niggling me. A little niggly job which I'm going to do right now. Get some light on the situation. Okay, so this is a 2-inch ball valve, which is a flood valve for flooding the boat in the case of making an emergency escape. And when I fitted it, I was never 100% sure that I had enough turns on the valve. It's just really annoyed me, so I'm going to make a special spanner, and that is 90mm. I just want to take it off and just double check that it's threaded on properly, because I'm pushing the boat to a bit deeper depths now. There's just no way it's going to come off. There's a seat. Right, so there's a seal and bits. I wonder if I have to replace these Teflon things, whatever they are. This feels like, I don't know. I'm sure it's Teflon. Like PTFE type seal. You see that? I don't know whether you can see it. Rusty in there. I'm not happy with that at all. This is where I could do the dead blow hammer, but I haven't got one. Waste of time. Absolute waste of time, that. That was a little bit better. Felt a bit better. Is it moving? Oh, it hurts my ears, that does. Ow. Right, put my muffs in. I can't stand excess noise. Right. I'm going to have a look at it. Oh. I think it might have moved. Yeah, it did. Right. Blimey. Look at that. So it needs cleaning up. And I just got this horrible feeling that it never went on very well. There. That needs cleaning up. So it's not the end of the world, but it's not very good. And somehow I need to make sure it goes threaded on more better. So look in here, it looks to me like it only went on 3 threads, which is why I was always a little bit slightly worried about it. So I'm glad I've taken it off. Obviously I can't replace that thing. To make some sort of thread tidying up tool, I think, to get the threads cleaned up on that, and then I can get it put back together. So this bit will clean up okay. I just made a start on it, and just because I'm going to ask people in the club about this, see what people think. So just out of interest, this is just an elbow, and this is, I'm going to count how many times this one goes in. So that's 1, 2 and a half, sorry, and a quarter. And I think that was honestly about the same. I mean, obviously I can tighten that up a bit. I honestly think that was about the same as the other end over that now rusty pipe. But obviously I'm going to clean the old piece of pipe up, and I think I might make some sort of tap device to get those threads cleaned out properly, and then put it back together. But I don't know whether, and this is going to be my question to people in the club, when I screw this back on, imagine that this will be how it is. I don't really want to get that. It'll be attached on like that. And just imagine that this is that piece of pipe. I can get in there now. I could get in there and weld it, and that would make me feel as if it was really well and truly on. I don't know whether that's necessary. I'm going to see what people think. There's a lot of people who are a lot more knowledgeable than me, and somebody is bound to be able to help. So I'll just add that obviously if I was going to weld this in here, which I'm not sure I will yet, but if I was going to weld this, I would do it almost one tack at a time all the way round, because obviously I don't want to distort this at all. So my new trailer's here as well. This is going to get Jodie B on there. Should be just the job. Better than that massive one that I've got. I'll wait to get that tried out.